for all the dim-wits out there. October 18, 2020 by Anna von Reitz. Being an American and being part of a state assembly is a birthright, not a club membership. It is a political status, honor, and protection that you are owed as a result of being born in one of our states or having parents born in one of our states. Period. You are not obligated to claim it, and it is not automatically conferred upon you. You may freely choose to leave our jurisdiction at any time, but if you do so, you will become stateless and prey to both the territorial and municipal government corporations. You will lose access to the constitutional guarantees. You will be subject to foreign laws and foreign taxation. People often ask me, why should I go through the effort to declare my political status as an American? Isn't it obvious that I am an American? I'm standing here, aren't I? I was born here, wasn't I? The fact is that no, your political status is not obvious. In fact, it has been obscured and false presumptions have been made about your political status to the effect that you are a British territorial U.S. citizen or a municipal citizen of the United States, both. Which means that you are not considered to be an American until you claim and declare your proper birthright political status. As an American, there are two possible status choices. As an American state national, a Texan, Wisconsinite, New Yorker, etc., you have no obligation to the government beyond keeping the peace, which means not injuring other people or their property. As a state citizen, you take on the decision-making and other burdens of self-governance and are expected to attend assembly meetings, cast ballots in elections, serve on the juries, and staff the militia. None of this is rocket science. As a government of free people, we cannot require you to serve the government, neither can we dictate your choices of political allegiance, nor impose obligations upon you. You are free to reclaim your birthright political status, free to join your state assembly, and also free to leave, even after you have gone through the trouble to join. At the same time, wishy-washy gets you nowhere. If you don't declare, or do and join and then decide to leave, you will become stateless, and this will mean that you can be swooped down upon by agents of either the territorial or municipal government and taken aboard as chattel backing their corporation debts. You and all your assets will be claimed by them. You will lose your constitutional guarantees and you will become subject to their foreign laws and their foreign taxation schemes. You will, in short, revert to the same condition that you were in before, and in the event that these foreign corporations overcome our objections and get a civil war started on our shores, you will have no protections and will be considered fair game for either side to shoot, arrest, detain, incarcerate, vaccinate, or do any other thing they wish to do to you. As a non-declared person, you have no constitutional guarantees. We continue to hold the door open for you to escape from any such eventuality and to take charge of your lawful government as a participant in it, but if you miss the boat or decide to leave once you have been rescued, that's your problem and a result of decisions you have made.
Links to Anna's articles and resources can be found in the video description box. Thank you for subscribing, liking and sharing. If you enjoy having Anna's latest articles made into videos, please consider making a purchase from Ed's website sacredintuitiveelements.com. Thank you.